Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly you have to open phone application, then tap here, go to the then go to the call settings, call blocking, and this line with message. Block numbers and tap here, and here you can add number from contacts, from call logs, or you just can enter number manually. And then tap block, and after that this number will never reach you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.